Today on Jiffywiz, we're going to build Lego Brickheadz Ron. Welcome to Jiffywiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and if you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. If you're new to this channel, we are a Harry Potter DIY channel. Sometimes we build stuff, sometimes we unbox loot, and sometimes we do video magic. Today is an unboxing and building of Ron, number 60 from the Lego Brickheadz collection. We did Dumbledore a few weeks ago. Check out that video up there. Today, we're going to do Ron. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the box. Here's the front of the box. Here's the top of the box, side of the box, and the back of the box, and the bottom of the box. And there's that little tab that you press to open it. So let's go ahead and open her up. There'll be two packages in here. We already did the first one, which was Dumbledore. He's number 2. Ron is number 1. So let's do Ron. And let's take a look at some of these bricks. There's his school uniform. 2 scarves for Ron, and he's got a wand. That's about it for Ron, so let's get started. That was Ron, Lego Brickheadz number 60. We have subscriber giveaways down below. Check them out. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.